All right, kiddos, here we go. So yesterday we were adding pennies. We were adding money. Today we're going to do the opposite. We're going to subtract. Remember, that means to take away. So here we go. So how is this number sentence different from the ones that we have done, the ones that we did in the last chapter? It's different because it has a cent sign. Remember, a cent sign is a C with a line through it. That shows money. It's cents. So let's go ahead and read this, but we're still taking away. So we still have the number that we started with, how many we're taking away, and how many are left over. So let's go ahead and look at this number sentence and let's read it. 8 cents minus take away 2 cents equals how many cents left over? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cents in all. Here we see that number, 8 cents in all. And we're going to take away 2. So let's do that. 1, 2. Now we're going to ask ourselves, how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cents left over. So we would say 8 in all, take away 2, we took away 2, equals 6 cents left over. So we know that 8 cents take away 2 cents equals 6 cents. All right, let's try the one at the top of your page. So it says 5 cents take away 3 cents equals 2 cents. So let's go ahead and let's just show that on our picture. So we started with 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take away 3. So this is the number we're starting with, taking away this many, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I took away 3, and now we're going to ask ourselves, how many are left over? 1, 2. There are 2 left over. So in our number sense, it says we started with 5. Here it is, 5, all 5 of these. We took away 3. Here we did that. And we were left over with 2 cents. So our number sentence says 5 cents minus or take away 3 cents equals 2 cents. All right, let's look at the first problem on your math page. This is the duck row. So this one says 7 cents minus take away 4 cents equals how many left over? Well, let's find out. So first we start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We start with 7 cents and we're taking away 4 cents. That means we need to cross out 4. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started with 7 in all. We took away 4. Now we need to count how many are left over. Ready? Here we go. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. So we started with 7 in all. We took away 4. And now we have 3 cents left over. So now we need to write that here. 3 cents. And remember, the cent sign, friends, is a C with a line through it. All right, so let's see. So our number sentence says that we started with 7, we took away 4, and we have 3 left over. So when we read that, we would say 7 cents minus or take away 4 cents equals 3 cents left over. All right? Hope you guys see that. Okay. The butterfly row on the back of your page, the instructions are X some pennies to show that 2 cents is left. Then complete the subtraction. So this is what it shows you. It says something, take away something equals 2 cents. Okay, so we know that this first number is how many we start with. That's how many in all. So let's go ahead and count how many in all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know it's 6, but what is it? 6 blocks? 6 cars? No, it's 6 cents. So we need to write the cent sign so that everybody knows it's 6 cents. Okay, now it says to take some away until there are only 2 left over. So let's do that. Let's take some away until there are 2 left over. Take that one away. Take that one away. Take that one away. Let's check. Are there 2 left over? Nope, we need to take another one away. Now, do we have 2 left over? Yes, we do. Okay, so we've X'd out the ones that we need to X out. Now we need to count how many did we take away, because that's what this is saying. It's saying we started with 6 and we take away how many so that we have 2 cents left over. Well, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we can say 6 cents minus 4. But we gotta write the cent sign, a C with a line through it, cents equals 2 cents. Let's make sure that that makes sense. That was funny because I said cents, but it's different. I hope you all are laughing at how funny Miss Morgan is. All right, so we started with 6 cents. Yep, we did. We took away 4 cents. Yep, we did. And we are left over with 2 cents. Yes, we are. That looks perfect. All right, friends, let's look at what you're doing. These are the pages you are doing. This is exactly what I just showed you. So you need to write it. You need to write the cent sign, and look, you need to X out the pennies. So you start with 6, you're going to X out 1. That's how many you're taking away. And then you're going to write how many are left over. You start with 8, you're going to take away 2, write how many are left over. On the back, same thing. X out the ones that are being taken away, write how many are left over. Don't forget the cent sign. And then we just did this one. You know how to do this. Tell me how many you started with. How many do you have to take away so that you have 2 cents left over? All right. This is kind of like what we were doing a few days ago. This is kind of a review. And it's kind of like what we're doing. We're Xing out money and seeing how much we have left over. So the tags tell you how much each stuffed animal costs. You need to color in that many pennies so that it shows that you've given them away. All right, and then on this last page, same thing. You are Xing out the ones that are being taken away, and you're writing how many are left over. All right, friends, good luck. Have fun. I know that you guys are expert mathematicians, and Miss Morgan loves seeing your good hard work. Have fun.